Oh my goodness, oh yeah.
Oh, is it great?
Oh, that's pretty amazing.
Awesome. We're back in the blacksmith shop today, and I wanted to give you guys a quick tip that we used on our Alcosa Forge video. It's something that I learned a long time ago, and I use it quite often. When I'm wearing gloves and I'm working with anything like paint or any kind of caustic material, just anything that's going to mess with your hands. In this case, it was the refractory we were putting inside there. You're going to have to work on things that cure. You're going to have your tools around as well. So if your hands are completely dirty, you got your gloves in there and you're making a mess, you know, and your gloves are filthy, and then you go to pick up your tool, well, you're going to have a bit of a problem there. You're going to get that stuff all over your tool. So what I do is I just wear an extra set of gloves, and then I've got a clean hand immediately. Right there, I can grab my tool, I can do whatever I want, and then I can go back to work. And I go back to work, I get my hands all dirty again, and then, well, I need to grab my tool again. Well, I got a free hand over here now. And then a little repetitive, but you know, you do it again, and you're almost done, and you got a clean hand again. All right. I hope that helps you guys out. You can wear, I've worn up to like 5 gloves at a time when I'm putting a roof skin on a car or a bedside on a pickup truck. It's helped me a lot in the past. I hope it helps you. I've got to get back to work. We're going to be firing up the Alcosa Forge after the restoration for the first time. Stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on your notifications.